Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will discuss how we can change the image DPI or dot per inch using the GIMP. GIMP is a very useful software because it's freely available. Normally, for publication purpose, we use the 300 DPI. So, how we will change it? Very simple. Copy the image and paste it into the GIMP software. Go to the image and then scale image, and here you can give your values, for example 11,000. If I click here, it will automatically change the rest of the value, and then click the scale, so it will automatically change the image DPI. Now you can save this image or export it as. Select the folder where you want to export it, and then select the file extension. For publication, we normally use the TIF file. Click the TIF, give the image name, and then export, and then click this as well, and it's done. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.